Hey folks, Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center welcomes you. Today we're going to talk about how to find a profitable niche for your business. As they say, there is nothing new under the sun, which is regrettably accurate. Many newly established companies squander time looking in vain for that one lucrative niche that has yet to be discovered. Creating the wheel is unnecessary. You only need to identify a lucrative niche. And this is how to identify a profitable niche for your business. Let's talk about the money versus passion balance. Selecting a niche you are enthusiastic about is essential, but you also need to ensure profitability. Thus, a balance between enthusiasm and financial success needs to be achieved. Look for something you enjoy that has monetary value. Empower yourself with the knowledge and clarity to confidently embark on your entrepreneurial journey through our transformative step-by-step guide to starting your own business course by clicking the link given in description. And yes, folks, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you can keep receiving new videos to enhance your knowledge. Thank you for watching.